హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చూస్తున్నారు లక్కీ టెక్ ట్యుటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అనే బటన్పై క్లిక్ చేసి బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ట్యాప్ చేయండి.
Hello, hi friends. Chemical bonding, intermediate first year chemistry, hybridization, very important 8 marks question. Hybridization definition, intermixing of atomic orbitals of nearly same energy of the same atom to produce equal number of identical hybrid orbitals of same energy is called hybridization. What is hybridization? Intermixing of atomic orbitals of nearly same energy of the same atom to produce equal number of identical hybrid orbitals of same energy is called hybridization. Types of hybridization. sp hybridization, first one sp hybridization, second one sp2 hybridization, third one sp3 hybridization. First one sp hybridization, intermixing of one s orbital and one p orbital p orbitals to give two p orbitals to give two sp hybrid orbitals is called sp hybridization. Intermixing of atomic orbitals of sp hybridization, intermixing of one s orbital, one p orbitals to give two sp hybrid orbitals is called sp hybridization. Diagram shape: s orbital plus p orbital. It gives rise to sp hybrid orbitals. Shape is linear. First point, shape is linear. Band angle is 180 degrees. S character is 50%. S character is 50%. P character is is 50%. Once again repeat, sp hybrid orbitals. Sp hybrid orbitals, intermixing of one s orbital, one p orbitals to give two sp hybrid orbitals is called sp hybridization. S orbital p orbital gives rise to sp hybrid orbitals. Shape is linear, band angle is 180 degrees, s character is 50%, p character is 50%. Formation of example. Next, formation of sp hybridization. Formation of examples. Example, beryllium dichloride, BeCl2. The central atom, first find the central atom BeCl2 is the ground state electronic configuration. Ground state electronic configuration. Ground state electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Ground state electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Next one, excited state electronic configuration 1s2 2s1 2p1. sp hybrid orbitals. Excited state electronic configuration, the excited state central atom Be undergoes sp hybridization. Beryllium electronic configuration, electronic 4 1s2 2s2. Excited state electronic 1s2 2s1 2p1. 2p1 1s2 1p sp orbitals. Okay na? Diagrams. These two orbitals overlap with these two orbitals overlap with these two orbitals overlap with p orbitals of p orbitals Cl atom and form Cl atom and form two sigma bonds. Diagrams. The central atom BeCl2 is beryllium. Ground state electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Excited state electronic configuration 1s2 2s1 2p1 sp hybrid orbitals. Excited central atom B undergoes sp hybridization. These two orbitals overlap with p orbitals of Cl atom and form two sigma bonds. Diagrams. Cl atom plus sp hybrid orbitals, two Cl atom, beryllium, sp hybrid beryllium, Cl atom. It gives rise to beryllium Cl atom 180 degrees and sp hybrid completed. Next one, sp2 hybrid orbitals. sp2 hybrid orbitals, sp2 hybrid orbitals, hybridization, intermixing of one s orbital, one s orbitals and two p orbitals, two p orbitals, two p orbitals, two p orbitals to gives three sp2 hybrid orbitals, three sp2 hybrid orbitals is called sp2 hybridization. Intermixing of one s orbital, two p orbital and two p orbitals to gives three sp2, one s, two p orbital, three sp2 hybrid orbitals is called sp2 hybridization. Shape is trigonal planar. Shape is trigonal planar. Band angle is 120 degrees. S character is 33.3%. P character is 67.7%. 66.7%. Okay, one s orbital plus two p orbitals, one sp p orbitals, one s orbital, two p, it gives rise to sp hybrid orbitals. sp2 hybrid orbitals. sp2 hybrid orbitals. Formation of example sp2 boron trichloride, BCl3. Okay, na? Boron trichloride formation example, boron trichloride. The central atom, boron trichloride is boron. Ground state electronic configuration. Ground state electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Next 2s2, 2p1 exited state electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2p/1. One s orbital, 2p orbital, sp2 hybrid orbitals. sp2 exited state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2p/1. These three orbitals overlap with these three orbitals overlap with p orbitals of Cl atom and form 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds. Sigma bonds. Sigma bonds. Diagram: 3 chlorine atoms. 3 chlorine atoms plus boron trichloride. sp2 hybrid orbitals. Hybrid orbitals. 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 It gives rise to three Cl atom overlapping Cl atom, Cl atom, Cl atom. Okay, sp2 hybrid completed. Next one, sp3 hybrid orbitals. Next one, sp3 hybrid orbitals. sp3 hybridization. Intermixing of 1s orbital, 3p orbital. Intermixing of 1s orbital, 3p orbitals and 3p orbitals. 3p orbitals. 3p orbitals to give 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Hybrid orbitals is called sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. 1s orbital, diagram 1s orbital plus 3p orbital, 1p orbital, 2p orbital, 3p orbitals. p orbitals. It gives rise to 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. sp3 hybrid orbitals. Hybrid orbitals. 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Shape is tetrahedral. Shape is tetrahedral. Band angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Band angle is 109. Band angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. S character is 25%. E character is 75%. His character is 50%, 55. S character is 25%, P character is 75%. Example: formation of methane, CH4. The molecule is central atom. Molecule is CH4. The molecule is CH4. Central atom is carbon ground state electronic configuration, ground state electronic configuration, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p2, 1s2 2s2 2p2. Exited state electronic configuration 1s2 2s1 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 2px1 2s1 2px1 2py1 2pz1, 1s2 2s2 1s orbital 3p orbital, sp3 hybrid orbitals. Diagram CH4 4 hydrogen atoms, hydrogens, sp3 hybrid orbitals, these are overlapping. One hydrogen atom, two hydrogen atom, three hydrogen atom, overlapping. 4 sp hybrid orbitals. No. sp3 hybridization completed.